Abusia adechie bia eni munsem a esi ewe mam hase eni abontene so anantina attention TV edi dwumedia bia esi ho se ensem a ekoso ewe mam hase adechie bia ne munsem ntino yemfa fela ensi ho na yenkopa nsem no yemfa besom bia na wonsan kan ya na so wo baabi no onteye na yemfa besom wo ewe attention TV so anento pese de bia wo hu attention TV na hwa attention TV fela ntino na wa subscribe ede amame no me notification bell no so se na ye tumu anu anya pepepe na ndie wa mia so na ndie wo so wonya bi ede ahwe na sa wo hwe wi anu ama akosi otonche ana meko ana so ti ne fi a woni dwuma bi edi a nani aha na nso de asend na mame na no nso anya bi ahwe na edwuma no koso na ye koso ndie wo hwe na wadwunche bi ana asendi a woja e comment section no fefefe ede amame a ye be di hu dwuma ne asanso eyiwa no pepepe bepese na ma obi a akwapa ede aba attention TV so attention TV yes we spy you more medin ene akosia spakos ma metwa me ho na me fan sem no embesom abusia me da se paye se wonya bread twa me ma metwa me ho ede ebaye I feel so me den sem no ebesom modia yemba mu hase enche bia na audio bi circulate se ye kan veteran actor pa dia na de be kan sam adjective aka ho a fie atwam na nansen mu oba abonten a wo ka se Ghana for ntine wonsa na wonfamu enfam behwe onu so na sese no ohia adokro na kwese chance a wanwe mu adwane ase ahye a wontimi wurewure ase adudum so tamu adeche a na wetimi atwitwimu enti Ghana for bi no mu etine wonsa ede ma na bibia eto so tetetetete na ende hi yetese audio bi circulate wo social media ni Ghana bontene so se snipe ya sam adjective esanso sretre dwane a obisa Miss V say na Miss V o keche honom no bode bi abele a won pese o de be kelele no menye bi ana wo de mu na wo no endra no e bi aka na da bi o de fama me na me so mensa enkoma no na we ana video no circulate a Miss V abeyi ni ho ano na so ansa na ye ba kotie Miss V ankasa no some adjective at the same be abetu ejase tama of friend Miss V no na Miss V eni Ghana ememu hase enu of already audio ya oni because na your WhatsApp audio of already audio ya oni Miss V eye Miss V sending no kunu enu ntine ema obibia embleme Miss V enkase Miss V ana circulate audio ne fise Miss V eni ho hwe some adjective kan we efrisem audio yi start say circulate no kama ya say na minute mi yete ye hu say Miss V ntino ye audio no eno ntin Ghana for binum ye kasa celebrities for no binum so bo Miss V chi papa ye say adenti ana wo be yesa wa woni pay ana ode sam adjective eba abontene so se ohiamu ana oyale na adenti na nanseyemu ana aseden no ode bone ana betia ne kana eni pay enya gidi ewo mu papa ye eno nti ana otimi eba wo nchen ebe bisa wo aduane na nsese we bisa wana ekire se wo de audio no ebeto abonten so ana enti enumu ana sam adjective ede kire Ghana phone na se emamu enfa sobo bia embo music se Miss video ontimi enyesa enam so ama Miss V so ede audio bi abeto abonten so se ono so kra odwe hu a onti ase akoye se wo kwa wo so na wakowo oba na so toto mema ho ntare okoye scan ne se be ma na obeto enti ono kra de afa ne tirim se je na afa akobie no rankasa osun agene no wagya twitwa wontimi twitwa abio na ono de onim sedia audio no ebeto apontene so Ghana phone na enye bi etia Ghana phone bi no so emfa ne eyi a wo bobo na chi a wo kaka nsem a enimu kra yenkotie bra Miss V chire ni ho yenkotie embassy a.
Hi, a happy new year to all of you. My name is Miss G. I'm here because a conversation, a voice note for that matter, that has my name in there has gone viral. Now, If you follow my works, you know me, you know that when I do interviews and there's backlash, people call me out, people have reservations and they voice them out. I never come to defend myself. I never even come to respond to most of them. I just do not think it's necessary because I feel like it's the hazard that comes with the job that we do. Maybe it's the reason it's taking me quite a while to respond to this voice notes saga. Let's go back to 2001 when I got products from some sponsors. I went all the way to Dodowa and even beyond to look for TT. I donated these items or those items to him. I sat with him for a conversation. It was during that interview that he told me that he had heart disease. He had a heart disease and needed help. I put the information out there. Subsequently, I came to you right here on social media to appeal for funds for him. Put his number out there, of course, with his permission. And because you do not know what conversations have gone on behind the scenes, I never came to you to say, this is TT's voice, or this is TT's message to me, this is why I'm doing this is why I'm doing it. I've never done that. And from then, people responded. Subsequently, others went to grant him an interview. It was after that that the vice president came to his aid. And TT and I have kept a relationship since then, till date. TT sends me voice notes on a regular. You've never heard any of them. TT sends me messages on a regular. You've never seen any of them. I have never come to any of you via social media or personally to say, TT sends me this, TT sends me that. No, it's never happened before. Because I respect the relationship I have with him. I respect his privacy. I never do anything public without TT's consent. Now, back to the conversation that has gone viral. On the 17th of December, I was all the way in Akwa Ibom in Nigeria when TT dropped the voice note that has gone viral to me. It was a voice note. And I sent him a message saying that I wasn't in town and that when I get back to Ghana, I'll address his issues. I came back to Ghana. I began to ask questions because if you heard that voice note that has gone viral, you will hear that he talks about the vice president's money being invested, yes, and that the Greater Accra Regional Minister's pledge of 1,500 a month came just once, and the minister is not redeeming his pledge. He goes to the minister's office. They say the minister is not available, and because of that, people have refused also to come to his aid. I was worried about it because I know his situation. And so I came to Ghana and I began to ask questions. And then I reached out to somebody who knows somebody in the office of the vice president to ask questions about what TT's claims are. And this person in the office of the vice president was vividly worried and said, oh, we have redeemed our pledge to him and this is not going to be a good one for the vice president if he gets to hear it or if he goes out there. I remember the words, if it gets out there, it's not going to be a good one for the vice president, blah, 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 blah. How did he say it? And we said there was a voice note. He says, can I hear the voice note? So in confidence, not thinking that anything will be done, but thinking that I will get solution for TT because, again, the vice president's office has been mentioned. The Greater Accra Regional Minister has been mentioned. I do not have access to this big wigs in politics. So I thought that sending this voice note to this person in the office of the vice president, we would get some solutions. And that's how the voice notes was sent to this person in the office of the vice president. Now fast forward, I hear this voice after days on radio. How? I'm not the one who leaked it. I only sent it to an individual in the office of the vice president. He also says he's not sent it to anybody. So who leaked the audio? Maybe we should start asking questions. Ask those who first published it, how they got the audio. Those who have the audio, maybe you should come out and tell us how you got the audio. It is not nice and it's unfair to have people drag me, knowing very well that I never shared any audio with any media house. I never shared any audio with any journalist. I never shared any audio with any blog. For crying out loud, I have a YouTube channel. I have blogs I could have published this on. They are not, or it is not on any of these. How do I leak a video, a voice note, a private conversation, which I've had over and over? I've had this over and over with TT. How do I leak this one to the public? I never leaked the voice note. I will never do that. I went to TT's aid. I've always been there for TT. If you pick up a phone and call TT, there's no way TT will tell you I've been there for him. It's quite sad, appalling, disheartening, heartbreaking. I never leaked a video, a voice note. I will never do a thing like that. So please, let's ask the people who are publishing, since this person in the office of the vice president says he didn't also leak that conversation. Let's ask the people who are publishing if they'll be honorable enough to let us know where they got the voice note from. Maybe then we'll know who finally leaked the voice note. But I, Miss G, God is my witness, I didn't leak the voice note. And for all of you who are calling TT to embarrass him, to insult him, please stop. Please stop. May God be our guide, and may the truth finally come out. And I hope the truth will suffice. Thank you.
Abusia na metwa so dia abna moet so elin sembi abatu edase nipa de wo hye na tade finkro obeka wo hye na tade papa so ra obeka na akamya ye se ye biase aye we wo sika ende nipa bebe wo papa paye na so de hwe ma wo sika nkofo me honum na obetete nsem na se wonye sika pa de hokra na mo se bodam fo kra opani pasem kra sene ono na wabodam no ono nyonko bodam fo no pa wasem pa enti we anabna mo wet ekire mu se enipa de wonye sika eya huni se enipa ebetwe abawo papa pa ya wasanse be mo wamo oye bone kra no wamo na so hu sika san eni de bonsam jem ana wo bekọ yekohwe bra abna mo wet ekire mu denti a o ma ne akasa sese nipa yenye sika nipa ebo na baso na se nipa so ba forma nipa embo nipa abaso yenkotie embra sisia.
That is coming the news.
We'll follow you being Chris.
Nobody know, and everybody knows that but I know your Juma has seen the salary is saying there is no way she could have acquired that $10 million legit.
Yeah.
Nobody cares.
Nobody cares.
Everybody will be my friend. I will meet people in this country I never thought of meeting. Olanka obeto travel in parliament or many presidents the traffic no chamina mini one conglomerate. I will be worshipped.
Yes.
When everybody knows that this girl probably didn't make her money through right means.
They don't care.
We have girls in this country who are driving big cars and we know that they didn't go to work. We don't even know the jobs they do. But they are on top of the blogs every day. Because just make their money. Now Ochina Sikano ne today dinner say oh you are Yanka. Sikano say the same people that worship you.
I want more music hey.
But at the same time, this can be another mean sex away.
It's lessons, it's lessons, big lessons. Now that it will be a pound, Baku be cry, Madame for Baku. You don't know see a chin and 1 out of 10 and years. I never knew so much in the other. But what I know? What I know?
Sisters, so look at the Omujis Kakesia. Assembly by 2 months, but no be any. Zano for a video. The picture calling was a bribing
share. Know the friends you made.
Ebusia Mickey or say Bekwa. Dodrona ani and I say ni din for Friday for Eddie Freno and then Master Richard. Master Richard Eddie in Sambia but to jar. A funny experience and not a good Samaritan. Now they say Gana man moving, especially in Cranfono, a good a many massy. I didn't know about yourself. Master Richard F say of a maybe a free dance or sour sha, and call you good Samaritan. Now, so you better Master Richard, a movie be a omuyi TV so much say Master Richard it was papa pay now so or chilemu eka say na movies ni movie no ya mom yes Kenya na no interest will papa part say not yet that be a movie and no portray a other side of them and no portray the real self of them and no portray. Now when I know chilemu say of a girl see be na girl see expert kind movie na omodo mu say Mickey or say etin kran ti wo den kran e kasa kire won ho say papa we de e be no mo ne papa pada che say mayi at the first place magu woni ma say free say mu gidi say obeje mo numbers na Mickey o say kra wanje we ana o kire mu a kire say na ohunim say ono Mickey o say na etin kran nti no oye din bebi akra na nka wose oni omu kosi no wanfa omu ankosi osimo bebi a ose nkran esan so ka kire won se nipa mo cho me so me ka no asentimu de haya na metimi esim na tese girls ye nim na etwa o ebusiafo na ye fa so e de akire nipa ni na se ya na obi eye wo mwa hwe ana wanfa emwa no ankodane aye bibi a wo ho efri se wonim nipa a wo hia no and especially actors near celebrities no you know we see the outside of them and social media and say television so share that's the inner of them oh my god men kasa bebre ha ana me di ebesie abusia na me ka o se openku papa week papa empaboe wodin atare wodin ring wodin dia for when you kopiem wona Tvgh and cosmetic ho ana obenya nyoma weni na ebefa wo ebefata wo o kokra ni pa beka se na brede onya insen ni se za so nya scans mi ke na kotu ne etufo ebo obenya no ewo ablekuma agape tarazo na ndi ayeye de na ade bia ye bo ho embrane anase ye kan wasem ewo attention TV so a wo ye wa adwensa wo de beba no pacho enye too late fa bedum University Foundation no so eye moase ode ba kodum mobre we janka ani wona woni bie na won so sewe ahye wonwano ubenya University Foundation e was 0548302985 0548302985 ebusia fila so eni attention TV esne midi ene akosia sparkles mema wo monitor monitor keep watching attention TV.